Some of my friends have been asking why I am. So I always reply, why not I am?
I joined IM for simple reasons. Because when I met the owners, especially Pres AM and Vice Aika, I found out that we have the same vision and mission sa pagkukorek at pagde-develop ng mas marami pang mga bagong leaders ng industriya ito. Nakita ko this is my way in paying back the industry sa magandang buhay na binigay sa akin.
Before ako mag-join dito, ang dami kong questions. Actually, ilang days ko rin siya pinag-aralan, sleepless night, specifically na nakita ko yung marketing plan. Kasi para sa akin, nasa 12 years kami, and yung Razon family at ako, and malaki rin naman na itulong sa amin ng multi-level marketing, and malaki talaga yung kinita namin, pero hindi ko in-expect talaga na pwede pa palang magkaroon ng ganitong marketing plan.
I decided to join IM because of the great vision of the President and the Vice President, of course, si President AM Eder and si Vice President Aika Lorraine Uy.
Aside from our trust with them, yung Complan was just really good. For us, actually, it was revolutionary.
And I'm very sure na ang IAM Worldwide ang magiging game changer, not only in the Philippines, but sa buong mundo, sa industriya ng multi-level marketing.
Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung sistema kasi hindi siya yung traditional na binary na kailangan mo lang ng left and right, even one side mo is yun yung gumagana, may kinikita ka pa rin. And at the same time, with just 4 referrals, automatically balik na yung puhunan mo, which is yun yung mga concerns ng ibang mga networkers eh. Kasi kailangan pa nila mag-refer ng maraming volume ng tao para lang bumalik yung puhunan nila.
Alam ko kasi na yung mga owners, gusto talaga nila is yung mapaganda talaga, not just the company, but yung estado ng mga distributors natin. And I've known them for too long na talagang kita ko na passionate sila sa business. And yun talaga, they live kung ano yung sinasabi nila.
Nakita ko yung camaraderie and yung support ng mga crosslines and yung grupo, and the vision ng company na gusto nilang gawin ang network marketing ng malinis. Ang tawag nga ni President AM doon is neat working.
Imagine din namin yung dami ng tao na matutulungan ng company. And with God's help, mapapalitan nito ang image ng buong industry sa Philippines.
Ang maganda kasi yung lahat ng sinabi nila before kami mag-start, unti-unti nagkakatotoo. And mas maganda pa doon, hindi pa rin sila tumitigil kung paano i-improve yung company. And nakikita mo na hindi lang up to 1 year, 5 years, 10 years from now, ang gusto talaga nila, yung IM Worldwide, ginawa talaga nila to build, to bless a lot of people. And ginawa talaga nila yung IM Worldwide para iahon talaga yung mga tao na magjo-join sa network marketing. So I think I made the perfect decision to join IM Worldwide.
Nakita ko dito mas madedevelop pa ako at makakatulong din ako para makapag-develop ng mga bagong leaders kasi yun po talagang gustong-gusto kong gawin. Tulungan ang mga batang networker, and that's one way of me paying back the industry.
In IM Worldwide, it's usually relationship over money. And the real essence of network marketing is actually relationship, in the sense that you can have lots of money in different kinds of, if you do the network business. But if you're always focused on the money, it's not on my, it's not my belief. And of course, with IM Worldwide, I can say that this is actually a company where relationship matters.
Lahat ng mga struggle, syempre, it will make you better person. It will grow you as a leader.
Talagang one vision, one goal, one family to really spread the good news ni Lord, and syempre spread the good news ni IM Worldwide na you can become prosperous, and yun yung will ni Lord for you, to be abundant.
And super enjoy kami, na welcome naman kami ng maayos. And within a month, nakapag-adapt ako because sobrang ganda ng culture dito sa IAM Worldwide. President AM and Vice President Aika Lorraine Uy are guided by moral standards and God-fearing people. They're very honest, very sincere people. And I feel like I didn't join a company. I felt like I joined a family. The best family ever, IAM Worldwide. So with that, welcome, and I invite you to IAM Worldwide family.
So what are you waiting for?
Be one of us so you can
Turn impossibilities
to possibilities.
Be one of us
So we can turn your dreams into reality.
So what are you waiting for?
Be one of us so you can lead yourself
And others
towards success.